Imagine you are applying for an online job, an exam, or creating a profile on a popular social media platform. During the application process, these websites require some pictures or images with explicit size and resolution to complete the registration process. However, your current images are too big in resolution and size and does not fit the required dimensions. Fortunately, you can resize your images using MS Paint very easily. Open MS Paint and select the image from the computer. Or, right-click on the image and select the Edit option. Navigate to the Resize option, under the Home tab, in Image Group, and click on it. From the open dialog box, you can resize the image in terms of percentage or pixels. The Maintain Aspect Ratio option keeps the ratio of image's width to its height. Ensure that this option is selected to avoid distorting the image. Have a look at the original dimensions and size of the image. Enter the desired width or height value in pixels or percentage and click OK. The image resizes accordingly. If you want to keep the original image, make a copy by clicking on the File menu, and then select Save As. You can also increase the size of the image by applying these steps, but the image quality is not guaranteed. Hopefully, after watching this video, you will be able to resize your images using Microsoft Paint.
Thanks for watching.